Hi, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I will show you how to set the alarm on this watch Casio F94W. Okay, first this is the timekeeping mode. We need to move to the alarm mode, and to do that we can press this mode button at the bottom left. And now AL means alarm, and this is not yet set up, so yeah, first we can set the time for the alarm, and to do that we can press the light button at the top left. And now the hour is blinking, so we can change the hour. For example, if I want the alarm to goes off at 5:30, so I will change this one to become 5. And to do that I can press this button on the right side. 1 2 3 4 5 5. Okay, and then to move to the next item, to the minute, we can press the light button again. Okay, and then now the minute is blinking, and then press this 24 hours or the right button again until we get the number that we want. So I want 30. I press and hold. Okay, and 1 2 3. Okay, now 5:30. So now we have this 5:30 for the time of the alarm. But wait a minute, I need to press the light button again to exit from this time adjust mode for the alarm. And then let's make sure that the alarm is active by looking at this indicator. So if the AL, the indicator for this alarm, is active, then that means that the alarm is already active for this time. Okay, so now what if we want to also activate the signal or the hourly chime, which means that every changing of the hour it will give a beep sound. Then we can press this button on the right side. Okay, so this means that the signal or the hourly chime is active. For example, if now is 9 o'clock, it will give a beep, and then later at 10 o'clock it will give a beep, and so on. But now, as we can see here, the signal is active but the alarm is not. So if you want to activate the alarm and also the signal, you can press this button again, and now they are both active. And if you want to deactivate, just press this again. So this is just to cycle which features you want to activate. So this one means the alarm is active. This one only the signal is active. This is both alarm and signal are active, and this is both alarm and signal are off. And now let me activate both alarm and signal. So I press this button. 1 2 3. Okay, now both are active. And then what if you already have this watch but you are annoyed by the alarms and also the signal? So what to do? To set the alarm and signal off, you can easily first go to the alarm mode by pressing the mode button. So this is from the timekeeping mode. Press once. Now you are in this alarm mode, AL, and then press this 24-hour button several times until there is none here for the signal and alarm. So both signal and alarm are not active. And then yeah, you can have the watch without alarm and also without the hourly signal. Okay, that's all for this video. Hopefully this is useful, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.